situation. Right there.
There's indeed a maybe remake.
On target.
One enemy remaining.
I think it's a remake.
Strike down A.
Wait. Okay, they're just. Never mind. They're just horrible.
Bang, bang, bang.
Heading to the above.
He thought you were an evil guy.
That'll work.
Hey, again, I'm dead.
Blocking vision.
They bought 108 Omen. Oh, no team here. 78 Sova. Willie's inside. Could be CT.
Spike
One
planted.
backside, one main.
One enemy remaining.
I think he's main.
I think this guy's backside.
What the fuck are you talking about me? Yo, hey! This guy's just yelling main, main, main.
I smoked top mid.
What a man.
Concealment.
I'm 1 HP.
What am I supposed to do now? Heaven, by the way. In heaven. In con.
Enemy punished.
One in main, one B. Oh.
70.
Abwa.
There are guns here?
I have a smoke.
I had a
There's a guardian on stairs.
Ran out of vandal.
Gun here.
Plan B.
Could that be?
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
I'm flanking.
Oh, get him, Maestro.
Boss?
Don't know.
I think he's in sight. I could smoke the bomb for you.
Yeah, can you?
Alright.
What just happened?
They're coming, they're coming.
I'm smoking off chamber shot. Oh, that's a. Oh.
Smoke now, smoke now, smoke now.
Blocking vision.
88.
Pulling them in.
Shot, no.
Spike planted.
Obscuring vision. Killer.
Oh!
5 down.
Oh, indeed. Hold in. They're coming, they're coming.
Blocking vision.
Gotta stop dying on that
Pulling them in.
mid rotate. Let me die to it right now.
Last player standing.
Oh, I died to. Okay, deadass. I'm come in and fight this guy.
Shit, my fault. My bad.
You go, King.
That's on me, bro. Hey?
Look on
One.
Yeah, there. Yeah, I have ult. Maybe I
Concealment.
should also
I think
ult.
Willie's in heaven.
Yeah. I'm gonna flat.
Bet. Double CT push. I'm ulting, go in. I got Sova.
I'm flanking.
Willie's heaven still.
Spike planted.
Ghost boy.
One enemy remaining.
Come on, spawn. Come on, spawn.
Up I go.
Hey, let me face out my shield.
That'll
You got me,
work.
Asher?
Play, let's play.
Talking about the glasses.
Right on my line.
I just wear them because I can't see. I smoked. Nice.
Oh, Timber up there. They're on me, just play retake.
Reloading.
Spike planted.
Can you smoke this right now? Smoke it right now. Smoke that right now.
Drop in a smoke.
Rolling blade under, let's go.
Obscuring vision. Pulling them in.
Can you smoke bomb?
Cross.
Nowhere to run.
Nice.
You just went through the one way.
One enemy remaining.
130.
Oh, dot. Actually, don't ult. Okay, 130. Oh, shit. Oh my god, why would you ult? Oh my god. My eyesight's not that bad.
Joining A.
Concealment. Pulling them in.
I can't break dart.
Coming in. Wait, I'm
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Oh shit.
You wear glasses when driving? Yeah.
Bruh.
If I don't wear glasses when I'm driving, I'm trolling.
Careful mid.
Droning, yeah.
Obscuring vision. Pulling them in.
Lily's down.
My teammates.
Jump out, Clove. Heaven or top fuck site.
remaining.
Yeah.
Spike down.
The hell is that?
Smoke B.
We gotta stop doing that.
Oh crap.
Blocking
Sorry.
vision.
Nice Shander.
Kittens are
Pulling
coming
them
on.
in. Need that
Coming
back.
into me
I'm
right now.
on my way.
They're coming inside of me.
My game lagged.
What the hell happened?
My game lagged.
All good, all good.
Spike planted.
80. 80 on
Bye-bye. Ground divided.
Last player standing.
Close. 120.
Both heaven CT side cut.
120. He overhealed, so oh, he saw him.
One enemy remaining.
Oh. John, I was meaning to ask you. Do you I'll do this go DM, yeah. I think they're coming big again. Oh, not bad. Cancel. 1 HP Reyna, bro.
Last player standing.
Hell no! That is the floor. Do it. Vaughn, how?
Chamber's gonna be mid.
He dropped the window. I think right side. He's dead. That's him.
Spike down B.
Hey,
One
mid player.
enemy remaining.
Yo, what? Yo, I still can't even shoot the fucking. Nah, hell nah.
I was looking with my wonder.
I saw him.
Come back A.
87 Willy.
I'm so
87
low.
Willy.
They're leaving A.
I'm going back A.
I have the spike.
One enemy remaining.
Me.
Blocking
Oh,
vision.
Reyna was B.
He's flanking.
Wait, do you have one ways, Clove?
Spike planted.
Throw that shit.
We're staring at him and not looking at him and saying that.
Yeah, right there. Don't move.
One way.
Concealment.
Hey,
Watch
oh
your back.
fuck.
What type of Pokemon boy is this?
I mean, it still works.
7 to 6 now, guys.
Going astral, guys.
What? Why can't I pick that up? Game's so bad.
Bring it.
There he
Concealment.
cock charged that.
Enemy tag. No, that guy's different.
I'm smoking. Save your smoke.
I'll save it.
Go, duelist.
Come on.
Oh, I distracted him with my peak.
Bro, where is my team? No, run.
Wait, are we not taking?
One enemy remaining.
Solo duelist on this. Wait, what?
You smoke first. I smoke second.
Need that back.
Heard.
Obscuring vision. Obscuring
This is
vision.
way.
Where's my drone?
Ah, bomb.
Scanning ahead.
I take them out.
You smoke?
One more vent red.
Wait, both there? Or is it just open?
Only Sova. I'm such a naughty
Oh,
pig.
good dart.
Blocking vision.
Good ass smoke.
Watch my bottom, cuz. Watch my triple or dice. What the fuck is
Mid-
called?
Enemy remaining.
Astro fell asleep.
Yo, Sova.
Bro, I was looking at map, bro. Order.
Go. Oh, I'm bone about. Can't mount.
There goes my dart.
Where are my smokes, bruh? Bro, are you slow?
Smoke clone.
My ISO bone will hold me.
I have a big smile on my face.
Need that back. Cover it.
Oh, that's what we're talking about. Let's go now.
That's what we're talking about.
I
Nice.
need it.
Let's go.
Oh, shit.
Nice shot. Take the site. Go.
Oh,
Omen,
my
offsite.
my game all tabbed.
You live.
On the way. Don't worry.
Heaven, I'm re-smoking heaven.
No peeking.
I can ult him if needed.
One enemy remaining.
Ah, nice shot. Well done.
And the enemy was punished.
What's with this heaven?
Yeah,
No,
but
you double down, bro. Let's be
you
honest.
double.
No peeking.
I will. Oh.
Omen's 1 HP.
I recalled.
Go back A. A.
What play is this?
I got
Fuck up.
taking that back.
No.
I think Arena is a man.
What the fucking play is this?
Right here. My ult
I'm gonna take bomb. I'm ulting.
I have the spike.
Come on, dude.
Obscuring vid, knocking them.
One enemy remaining.
Spike planted.
Oh, you're usually an A player.
Where he at, cuzzo?
Long.
Nice! Good game, guys. Matty Ice out.